today I have an amazing new video. Today I'll be cooking again and I'm so excited to be making something for you guys. So I don't really know what exactly to call this dish, but I think it'll be something familiar to Alfredo pasta. So I think I'm going to name it the creamy sun-dried tomato chicken pasta. I have some ingredients over there and my chicken. I'm going to show you guys the whole process of cooking, and it's going to be really peaceful, really calm, and just really nice and aesthetic.
Very demure, very mindful.
I'm so excited to show you guys the video, and you know guys, without further ado, let's get started into the video. So let's go. Oh yeah, before we get into the video guys, be sure to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my newest video, and also follow my TikTok, follow my Instagram, and follow my cooking page on Instagram. And guys, just subscribe, support your girl, and you know guys, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. And yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much, so let's just go into the video and let's go. Good. Hey guys, so I just finished cooking and the food is all done. I've garnished it, taken some photos, and now I'm gonna give it a try and let's see how it's gonna taste. I'm gonna start with the chicken. I'm gonna get the sun-dried tomatoes. It's really good. That is so good. That is so good. I love it so much. I love the outcome. It was so nice. The way I season the chicken, so good. Love it, love it, love it. The garlic steak seasoning and the Moroccan seasoning, top it off guys. I love it, and I can't wait for my siblings to try it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. Guys, be sure to try making this. It's so good, it's so nice guys. Make sure you add a lot of Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese, and the seasoning, so good. Yeah, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos, and also subscribe, like the video, and also comment down below which other videos you wanna you want me to make next. But yeah guys, I really can't wait to make another new video. But thank you so much for watching guys. I love you guys a lot, and thank you so much for all the support. Have a great night, have a great evening, and have a great good morning. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.